It is okay. Nothing is broken.
Thank you, Kathy.
Walk slowly. The hallway is crowded. Why is everyone walking so slowly? It is still morning, Mia. No need to rush. People who walk slowly waste everyone's time. Helping someone only takes a moment. That is why you are always behind. Your notebook looks beautiful, Lily. Thank you. I stayed up finishing it. Your handwriting is so neat. You stayed up for this?
It is for class, Mia. Please do not touch it.
Mia, give it back! Mia, stop. That belongs to Lily. Relax. I am just looking. I worked all night on that. Then work harder next time. Why are you making it so serious? Because hurting someone is serious. During break, I will help you rewrite the missing parts.
You would really do that?
Yes. You are not alone. Why are you making it so serious? Because hurting someone is serious. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Mia.
Your notebook looks beautiful, Lily.
Thank you.
I stayed up finishing it. Your handwriting is so neat. You stayed up for this?
It is for class, Mia.
Mia, give it back! Mia, stop. That belongs to Lily. That was close, Rio. Try again.
I almost got it.
Your aim is better than yesterday. Mia, wait. We are playing here.
Then stop playing when I walk through.
This is the basketball court. Mia, give Rio his ball. You are not even good at this. I was practicing. Practice somewhere nobody has to watch. There. Much quieter.
That was my only ball.
Here, Rio. Do not let her stop you.
Everyone saw that. Then let everyone see you try again. Because you did not give up. It was just lucky. No, Mia. It was courage. Can I sit with you, Sara?
Yes, please.
Your lunch looks nice. My mom made it this morning. What is that smell? It is my lunch. It looks weird. Mia, do not speak to her like that.
My mom made that for me.
Maybe hold your food better. Sara, breathe slowly. I will help.
But that is your food. You should not stay hungry because of Mia. Thank you, Kathy.
You always make yourself look perfect.
No, Mia. I am helping someone you hurt. Eat slowly. I will stay with you.
Mia, please stop tapping.
Why should I listen to this?
Lower your voice. Mia, do not insult everyone. Stop acting like you are better than me. Kindness does not make you special. Cruelty does not make you strong. Very boring. We will continue when everyone is ready.
You should write down the answers for this question.
Okay.
They're all idiots.
Please help her carry her books, notebooks, and crayons to the art room.
Yes, teacher. Ala, let me take some. Thank you. I can barely see. Mia, slow down!
She was blocking the hallway. She was carrying class materials. Then she should carry them faster. You tore my notebook. I am not hurting people.
You threw my basketball.
You ruined my lunch. What happened here? I was walking too fast. Did you stop to help? Here. An apology matters only when your actions change. I was angry, but that was not fair.
You made me feel like my work meant nothing.
You made me feel embarrassed for practicing.
Why do you still help people after they are mean? Because kindness makes people feel safe.